quietly into the night, perhaps the early morning, alone, away from home, away from those he loved. He arrived here 10 years ago, unwelcomed, alone, sick, rejected. 10 years he lived, worked and ate in this beautiful place we call home. For weeks he was dying, alone, surrounded by those who didn't really know him, didn't really understand him, but they tried to. Towards the end he didn't speak much, only his eyes and a shallow breath, but they spoke volumes. His fears, his journeys, his gratitude, his loneliness. A different skin color, culture, language and religion, and in a world that based his characteristics on his differences, all he could communicate was his similarity, his humanity. Jesus can still be found among us, in the distressing image of the poorest of the poor. He's next door, down the road. He's among us, rejected and alone. What are you going to do?